Hey guys, my name is Amanda, also known as Immaturities, and today I'm doing something a little bit different, although I used to do unboxings all the time. As you can tell, it's actually by a company. I wrote down myself some notes to make sure that I bring up, because you guys have been loyal to my channel or seen some of my videos, you know that my memory is crap. So I wrote down notes to make sure I completely and utterly describe this to the T, because if a person needs me to sponsor them, I would definitely have a hard time giving them the credit they deserve. So, today, I'm reading my notes, we're doing an Influenster unboxing, and yes, it is my first. No, I did not pay for it. Okay, now to describe Influencer, I am going to read this from my notes because I wrote it down like perfectly. Influencer is a website and app for mostly beauty YouTubers or anyone who likes reviewing products. It's a way for us to get free products depending on our social media influence and our badge rating by reviewing, answering questions, etc. on product. That's what Influencer is. You can do other things on it too, like you can review books, you can review TV shows, you can review pet stuff, hair products, nail products, sports, home living. I think travel's another one. Did I say video games? Movies? So you can literally review a lot of things and you get badges for them. And the more badges, the more chances you'll get a box or a box from something related to them. I've never seen an Influencer box sending one for gamers or movies or books, but I haven't really tried looking either. I see a lot for makeup, beauty, and health, skin care stuff, and that is one of the ones I got today. So, what they usually do is they send you an email asking you for your address, saying, hey, you've been registered, or you've been chosen to get a box from them or by another company that goes through them, and they send it to you for free so you can try out the item and possibly review it for them, or just so they can make money. Now, I didn't get a Vox box. I wouldn't call this a Vox box. Oh, by the way, let me just tell you, for anyone who knows what Influencer is and they would like to know how much I have of social media, etc., my impact is 5,689 and I have 9 badges, and this is the first box out of months that I've gotten. And it's the first box I've ever gotten from them. So let's open this. There's only like one thing in here because I already opened it. Well, when I got it, it comes like this. It came in a bag originally. And then you open it and it looks like this, and I didn't realize it was an Influencer box because it doesn't say Influencer on it. Oh, it does. I didn't see that. I just saw this. So I opened it wondering, like, who the hell is sending me this stuff? I don't recognize this company. So I opened it wondering what the hell it was, and then I saw the little card that said Influencer. I'm like, I wasn't supposed to open this. So I know there's only one product in here. So this is going to be a small video. It's called Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Mask, ACV for short, by DP Hue. And again, this is what it looks like. It took like 2 or possibly 3 weeks to get here. I can't remember when the email was sent. You open it right away. Just right away. Just right away, and you get this. And inside this, make sure that nothing falls out. You get this. It is one little thing. It smells. There was a high smell to it, but I guess since I opened it earlier, it doesn't smell anymore. It doesn't smell anymore. DP Hue by Influencer. Let me read this to you. I have not tested any of these products, so I'm just going to read this to you just so you guys understand what the hell I'm talking about, because I don't know what I'm talking about. Intelligently repairs and deeply conditions with smart proteins that target damaged areas of the hair without weighing your hair down. Plant-based conditioning agents restore elasticity and enhance luster, leaving a hair. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be hair. It's AHIR, but leaving hair soft, silky, and vibrant. Benefits increase with use, blended with fatty acid-rich rosehip, avocado, and coconut oils. Sunflower seed extract protects color, and enriched vitamin B3 helps to strengthen hair. I need that. For anyone who knows, I once bleached my hair to make it blue. And in the process, I did damage it quite a bit. You can't tell, but it is very, very damaged, especially around the ends. That's why I wear hats a lot, to honestly to make it sweat so it grows out so I can cut it more. I heard that works. That's why I wear hats quite a bit. Is so I help the process of growing so I can cut it and make it healthier. Anyone who is curious is why I wear hats all the time. How to use. Apply mask evenly on clean, damp hair from mid-lengths to ends. Leave on for up to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. For even deeper conditioning, leave on for up to 20 minutes. Use as needed. You know what I hate about these things? Leave evenly on clean, damp hair. So I have to have clean hair that is damp. So maybe when I'm in the shower after shampooing, I have to leave on for 5 minutes, if not 20 minutes, and then I have to wash it up. So if I were to take a shower and just dampen it, and then use it like after the shower, I have to then wash it out, and then maybe get back in the shower to wash it out, and then screw all that over. And do you guys see what the dilemma here? Or I have to, after shampooing my hair and putting it on, I have to wait 5 to 20 minutes sitting there in the shower doing. I love hair masks, but I prefer the ones that say put on before shower or put on during shower. It only takes about 5 minutes, shave your legs and everything like that, and then wash it out. I like those. Not the ones that said in order to get the full satisfactory, whatever, leave it on for 20 minutes. When you want from me. Turn off my shower? It's so warm in there. It's cold out there. So that's just the beef that I have with these particular type of masks. Does not want to open for oh. It's ultra creamy. Look at that. Yeah. Look. It smells like my husband's cologne. So if you guys would like me to try this mask out and then give you a review on it, including the review on the actual chemicals, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll get to it right away. And I'll tell you if it works. Of course, give me about a month so I can actually try like every other week. Not every other week, sorry, once a week in the shower, just to make sure I get the full benefits, or the full whatever you want to call. So this is the product. Again, if you want me to review it, go ahead and tell me down below. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more, if I ever get any more. Who knows? I have to do more on Influencer to do that. And I don't have much more makeup to review, so that's going to be interesting. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and make sure to hit that thumbs up button so I can get hit on that algorithm. God, it's one of those days today, guys. Bye!